What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Sorry about my voice, I'm a little sick. This time I'm putting rear rotors and pads on my car, on the Ep3. And I just put the rotor on, as you can see. And I greased up the caliper pins, and then I greased up these things, these metal plates, and then I pushed back the caliper piston. And the thing I noticed, a lot of EP3s, the Type R's, they're all rusted. Look, my SI is not rusted at all. No rust. And I also got some hard racing rear camber kit. Probably gonna replace it with either K-Tune or Skunk. Well, I'm not really too sure if it makes a difference. And yeah, put some thread locker on this back piece, and then I use the grease that came with the calipers. These are the calipers. These are the brake pads, I mean. Ceramic, fully ceramic. And I'm taking my time, you know. I use this piece, it cost me $8 to fucking push in the caliper piston. Then I bought some 3M silicone paste for the caliper pins. And then I used a 14 for the back ones right here. 14. And then I took this bolt out from the brake line, because the caliper doesn't come out if you don't remove this. And I just have it hanging right here. These are old brake pads. They still have life, but who knows how long these have been on here. And my old rotor, it's rusted. Straight up rusted. Yeah, just put everything back on, and we should be good to go. See, I just did the other side, the right side back. Clean. Anyways, and what the rotors that I'm using, they're eccentrics. Part number, I think. And I don't think it matters which side it goes. I think they're both the same. Or the front's different. But yeah, I'm gonna just put everything back on and test it out. If this video helps or anything, let me know. And again, if you guys are interested, like any advice and like what other mods I should do to the EP3. Right now I'm just doing maintenance. But yeah, thanks for watching.